In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create proposal in Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a polished branded proposal, add your client details, itemize your work, and save or send it with confidence. Start by opening Freshbooks and heading to your dashboard. If you're not already there, use the left side panel and select Dashboard to make sure you're on the main home screen. From the top area, choose Create New, then select Proposal. This opens a rich proposal template designed for more detailed scopes of work than a simple estimate. Begin with your branding. Click the logo area to add your logo, then upload the file from your computer. A clear, high-resolution image helps your proposal look professional. If you have a version with a transparent background, that often looks best. Next, set who the proposal is for. In the Prepared For field, choose an existing client from your list or create a new one. If you're creating a new client, enter their first name and last name, add the company name if applicable, and include a valid email address and phone number. When you're done, select Create Client to save those details. Taking a moment to confirm the email here will help ensure the proposal is delivered without issues later. Now build out the body of your proposal. Select Add a line to create your first item. Give the item a clear name that your client will recognize. Add a concise description that explains what's included, and enter your rate. Be specific about quantities, timelines, or deliverables in the description so there's no ambiguity. Repeat this process for each service or product you're proposing. Keep an eye on the proposal total displayed on the page. It updates automatically as you add or adjust lines, so this is a great time to review your math and make sure everything reflects your agreed pricing. If you work in multiple currencies, verify that the currency shown matches what you intend to bill. If you have supporting materials, like a brief, a portfolio PDF, or terms, attach them using the attachments area. This keeps everything your client needs in one place and reduces back and forth emails. When your proposal looks good, choose Save to store it as a draft. This is perfect if you want to revisit it later or share it internally for review. If you're ready to deliver, use Send to email the proposal directly to your client. Before sending, it's a good habit to preview the document and personalize the message so your client understands the value and next steps. That's it. You've created a professional FreshBooks proposal from start to finish, ready to impress and convert.